Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit video on a CapCut with the easy step and efficient way. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and let's create a new project. In this new project, I think I would like to go with the stock videos that I have here, and I would like to go find specific things, which is I would like to edit the cat video. I just need to click it, and for the type you can change it into the video so that they will be sorted directly by the CapCut for you. Okay, now we already have a CapCut video here, a lot of cat video, and I would like to use this. Okay, we already find it, and now we just need to go click add. Now we already have a video in our project, and the editing things that I would like to show you today is adding text into this video. So how do we add that text? You just need to go into this button features and just go click text, and whenever you already find this tool, you just need to go click add text. In this add text, you just need to start typing what text that you want to add into the video. For example, like this. You can also styling this text. You just need to go into the font, click this font button, and you just need to find what font that you want to add into this text. For example, this one, it's quite cute, right? And after that, if you want to styling for color, you just need to go into the style and find out what color that you want. Okay, whenever you're done, you can also set for the opacity to make it transparent. You just need to drag into the left side. If you don't want to make it transparent, just go 100% on it. And now I would like to do a curve, so I would like to make a curve style here. There you go. And after that, just go click done. And now I would like to positioning this text by go drag it over here and go there. And I would like to start make this text is appearing here, so you just need to click and drag the text part and drag it into this specific position that you want, so the text will be start appearing there. Let's try it. And that's all. That's the way how to add the text on a video. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.